Morning all, Crappy Cockney. Can't be a morning cup of tea. Hope you're all doing alright. Alright, I've come back down to carry on dismantling the flag. So I've taken 2 corner sections so far. I'm going to take this section off here. As you can see, I've been saying all the way along, nothing is glued. Nothing. I've kept it all together with biscuits and accuracy without blowing my own trumpet. So yeah, it'll be interesting to see the comparison between this one and the first one I've done, because obviously the first one I've done, there's a few techniques I was unaware of to get these to work. So I dare say there's a few techniques I've also gained from this one. So I'm just gently persuading this one to come apart because she's a bit tight, so it might have a bit of glue in there, but I'll just persuade her to come apart. I shouldn't damage any of the edges because I'm rounding them all, so it shouldn't be that bad, but we'll see. Let's get this one, just gently persuade her to come out. There she comes. Just might have a bit of glue on them. Yeah, but here you go. There you go. There's another quarter section. So I'll take all the biscuits out of them as I take it apart. None of them have got glue on. I might have to persuade some of them where I've now stained them. Some of that stain probably has gotten into the biscuit grooves, so it might make them a little bit tighter, but that's the idea. So I'm going to go ahead, start preparing all these, run them through the router, and take them apart and do the same thing. So I'll probably do this on a hyperlap so you can see it all without getting bored. Okay, so let's turn that off. We'll get that going.